Alright guys, welcome to our next math lesson. This is going to take care of pages 305 and 306, and it is all about adding and subtracting mixed numbers. I'm going to go through this kind of slow because this is a little tricky. When you're done, when you think you're done, you might not actually be done. So I'm going to walk through this and make it clear for everybody. Okay, the first problem we're going to work on is going to be 2 7/8 plus 1 6/8. Remember, always pay attention to your sign because you don't want to be subtracting when you should be adding. And remember, your denominator is always going to stay the same. So the first thing I can do is drop that denominator down to the bottom. Notice I started with the fractions. Don't start with the numbers, the whole numbers. Make sure that your fractions are what you take care of first, okay? So you take your denominator, drop it to the bottom, and then you simply add the numerator. 7 plus 6 is 13. Now it's okay to move over and add your whole numbers. So you have 2 plus 1 is 3. And we're left with 3 13/8. Now I know you're looking at this right here and you see something. This should be an alarm that goes off in your head because we have an improper fraction attached to a whole number. We need to fix this. Now, this is not an incorrect answer, but it is an incomplete answer, and we need to fix this because I don't want to see improper fractions left in our final answer. So we need to know what to do. Well, first, we need to understand that 8/8 can be taken out of here. And if you remember, 8/8 is equal to 1. So we're going to take 1 out of this fraction part, and we're going to put 1 onto our whole number. So if I take 1 out of, if I add 1 to here, the 3 is going to become a 4, and 8/8 are going to come out of 13/8. So what I need to do is do 13/8 minus 8/8, and 13 minus 8, after we do that, is going to be 5. Hope I didn't go off my board there. So if I have 13/8 minus 8/8, it's going to be 5/8. The 8/8 went on to the 3, so my whole number is now 4. And 5/8. I hope that helps. I'll see you in the next video, guys.